Hey y'all! Today we are going to go over how to make a Google Slides presentation. Now you will need this for various different things. You might be asked to do a slideshow on a certain religion and social studies. You may be asked to do a slideshow on the progression of a paper that you're going to write. You may need to show your understanding of a certain culture or your understanding of a certain math concept, and sometimes slides are the best ways to do that. So you will go to your home page, or you can go to google.com, so that's where we'll go right now, and then you will click these boxes over here in the corner. And if you don't see slides here on your menu, you can just go down to more and it should pop up. And if it does not, for mine, for instance, mine's not popping up, you will go to our products here in Google. Sometimes it takes a little while for you to scroll down and find it. Here, I like to go to all products once I can find it. And then as you can see, there is a plethora of products for you to choose from. But today we will just be focusing on slides. Now, if you've used something such as PowerPoint before, this can be very easy for you. So you'll go to Google Slides, Personal, and up here at the top, right where my mouse is, it shows you templates. And you can go down to your template gallery and you can pick whatever works for you, whatever works for your presentation. And it's a really great way to make a good looking presentation without having to agonize over every little detail. So, for example, let's see here. We will go to education. So let's see here. We'll do flashcards. So for example, you have all of your slides over here on the left screen, on the left side. Let's make some flashcards over the religions of the world. That's what we've been studying this week in 5th and 6th social studies. So, world religions. Oh.
No! It costs Robux.
Social studies. Now, these you can pretty much, you can tweak these however you like. It's really up to you. You have artistic control. So, if you want to add an image, you can come up here to insert. Let me move this out of the way here. Sorry about that. You can come up here to insert, image, search the web. We are going to search for Buddha. We're going to search for a Buddha statue. And we're going to put this little guy right where that picture is. And we're going to size it down a little bit. And you can put him here. And you can skew him to match. Went a little too much there. But basically you can play around with this as much as you'd like. Now if you need to delete a slide, you come over here, you right click, and you can skip that slide. Or you can delete. You can do pretty much whatever you need to do with this. Let's try a different slide here. If you want to start a blank one, you'll click on blank. And then for these, you can remove these by using the, let's see, the delete button. And a lot of times we will ask you to delete these simply because if you need to do certain animations, you won't be able to do that if it's a big text box on your page. So you want to do some themes, we can do, themes are over here on this right hand side where I'm scrolling. You have a whole lot of themes that you can choose from. They're very crisp and clean, and they just look very nice. So you can do basically whatever you need with them. You can change the background color. Say you want it to be turquoise, or you want it to be an olive green. Whatever you need to do, you can do. Your layout will show you your title screens, your bodies, your columns, and it really gives you the ability to turn this presentation into anything you need. And as you work, all changes are saved in Drive, and if you want to share it with someone, you click Share, you name your document, save it, and then you can enter your classmates' emails or your professor's emails, my email, your teacher's emails, and then you can share it and work collaboratively with your classmates or with your coworkers, however you need to do this. So I hope that this has helped a little bit with how to work on things. Now, you have your regular insert slides, make a copy, remove. You have your undo, you have your view. You have your insert, and this will allow you video. This will allow you shape. This will allow you a text box, an image, a plethora of different things that you can add. You can also change the formatting. You can change what your slides. You can do slide transitions. You have a whole bunch of tools, and this is basically PowerPoint, Googleized, and shareable in a much easier format for both you, the student, and the teachers and coworkers and anyone else that you need to share this with. And if you have any questions, don't feel afraid to email me, and I hope you enjoy. Thank you guys.